Hello traders, good evening and welcome to Mega Stock Pro. And This is Sekran Jaiswal. And Friends, today I want to explain how to trade the option chain indicator because many people are newly joining into the Telegram group. Thank you very much and welcome to you all. And Because people, when the price does not move, see price is going in one direction and the option chain direction going is in another direction, and maybe sometimes it may go in the opposite direction, and people get confused. And So let us see how the behavior was last trading session, that is on when last Friday. So we will check. So today is 30th of January. For 29th, how was the day? We will check and we'll see what the indicator suggested us and how the price moved afterwards. Okay. So this is Zerodha platform I have taken. I'm not promoting Zerodha. So just for it's easy to view, I have just taken the chart of Zerodha platform. So let us go to the indicator now. So this is the indicator part. Uh, I think yeah, okay, almost it is visible. So here, so this is from 9:25:30 I have taken afterwards, so it's okay. So this is the first spike around at 9:25. There was a downside around minus 138 something. So this indicates a downside moment, but we I generally ignore up to 9:45 and 10 o'clock because the volatility is so high. Sometimes it goes up, it comes down, and people adjust their positions. Because what happens, the person who has carried BTST in options or futures, if is the market mover, so what will happen, he will try to close the position and enter into a right place. Okay, so he'll square off his positions first of all. So in very rare cases, when the market is very low priced, or what we say, when the valuations is very low, then only the market gives a breakout and then keeps on moving on the upper direction continuously right from the day or from a oversold zone. So in the intraday, every day is not like that. Okay, so uh, early morning, after that is around 9:25 a.m. So there was a downside movement and then immediately it pushed up. Okay, so this is not a buy signal actually, but up to 9:45 we will wait. So 9:45 and see after 10:50, generally after 10 o'clock, what happens, which side the market is going to move, that is very clearly decided by the option chain movements. So what happens by that, even though market may open gap up around 500 point, 600 point, or it may open gap down also, no problem. So in that, by 10 o'clock people get their positions adjusted. So the last Friday the movement was like this. After 10 o'clock, if you see, even then, let us see, this is 10 o'clock. Okay, so slowly from downside it started moving upside. And what happened here around 9:50 or 10 o'clock, well, let us see what happened. So let us see the price chart. So morning, this is 10 o'clock, price is coming down. Okay, it's coming down. This is the divergence between the option chain and the price. So this price will not sustain to the downside, so market has to move upwards. So let us see here around 10 o'clock what happened. After 10 o'clock at 10:30, this is 10:30, it went above 100. Okay, so let us see what happened here. So this is 10:30 candle. Let me take a, so just 10:30. So 10:30 means this is 10:30, the market has closed no here. This is 10:30 means 10:30 the candle opens. So this is 10:30 candle. Okay, here let's say just I'll move this side. So in this candle only, we don't know as per the price action what is this. This is a bearish setup. But what is option chain suggesting? Option chain is giving a buy signal here. So this is the problem from the price action and the option chain indicator. That is why I tried all my best to create this indicator, because only in this option chain only we can see which side the market is going clearly. Here at this point only I came to know here only because you can see a huge divergence being created here. So what will happen? Then we have to wait, either the option chain is adjusting and keeping above zero, at least above 50. Here, yes, continuously started keeping above 50. Then we come to know that the direction is upside. And I check for other parameters also, not with the price chart. And other parameters also, I see the numbers. I cannot put all together and show you on the chart now, because it is very difficult for me to create a chart on the option chain indicator. So I created this one for the easiest way to understand. And here you can see at 10:30, even if you are not entering at 10:30 candle closed, and 10:35 also continuously 2 3 it is staying above 100, then okay, let us see what's happened here. It stayed here and market moved up. So let us see what happened. There was a around 13:10 and 13:20, that is 1 o'clock 20 minutes, continuously market was showing downside. And what happened in the price chart, let us see. 13:10, 13:10, and this is 13:20. Okay, right, continuously for 20 minutes market was down, that is the signal was going downside. This is 13:10, 13:20, and market did not stay upside immediately. What happened? Just I will see the breakdown how it came. One from, this is future chart, 30,652 to 64, around, that means around 200 points it dropped. So 200 points in bank nifty, dropping 200 points is not a normal thing. And afterwards what happened? Continuously then after 350, market was 350 and 2 o'clock and 2:10, continuously for 22 half an hour the option chain was staying upside. Let us see what happened in the option chain, and see, you can see after this is 2:05, 2 o'clock, okay, and for half an hour market was sustaining here, accumulation was going on in this place. After this false breakdown, and see how the market spiked up like this. Okay, so all these things I have already posted in the Telegram group, you can go and watch there. And I don't give tips, because buy level, sell level and all. Why? Because I need to trade myself. When the if I see at 10:20, if I'm fetching the data, everything I have to do, I'm not here to give tips, but I am here to show how what is possible in this market. Please don't rely upon anybody. You, if I give the market trend, then you have to I suggest you to learn the thing, and then you have to interpret your own ideas, and then you can trade for yourself. If you keep on seeking for tips here and there, then what will happen? Altogether you will finally lose everything. You have to build this thing, because option chain, it was my passion to build this indicator for months together. For the last many days, months, night and day, I did not sleep and made this indicator, and it's very easy. But we must have that courage to trade this one, because price action will not support. And see, and here market gave a breakout, and this is 12:20, sorry, 2 o'clock 20 minutes, 2 o'clock 30 over, continuously 40 10 to 20 or half an hour market was, that is uh, to the downside. Okay, option chain indicator is saying that market will go down. Let us see what happened in the price chart. Sorry, 20 here now. Yes. So the price was moving up, did not sustain, then came down. So option chain is the leading indicator. Here, if you immediately, if you take a trade around 31,000 to short sell it, what will happen? Let us see here a little bit. 12, 220, 230, and this is 240 continuously for 30 minutes, half an hour. This is 220, 230 and 240. Plus after 240 what happened? There was a red candle immediately blown down. So we need to understand the option chain indicator, have patience and know the market, because a little bit of swing here and there because of volatility, the person who has taken this market upside will not immediately short it, because the person who is taking the market upside is the option writer. He is taking upside, then he will allow the retail people to buy here somewhere and people will give more targets up to 32,000 or something, and immediately the he started closing the position, and later it came people who trapped here, then the market price did not come, and people who shorted here, then they did not see the option chain, and what happened then, they got stuck here. And here also people today early morning itself they became bearish all the put side, and 10:30 itself market started reversing. So this is how option chain indicator works, friends. And you can join my free Telegram channel. I update if I am free. Then if I think that okay there is time for me to take trade, then because immediately after 9 after 10 o'clock it is very good to trade with the help of option chain. If people are very much urgent that early morning at 9:20 9:35 itself they want calls and all, I cannot do that. But based on this option chain indicator, if you trade, suppose early morning I suggested here that market is bullish based upon the other parameters. So what happened market? I know that market because I made this indicator. No, I know that market will reverse, and from here it reverse, and the ultimate target at least will be this much. That means 584 to 750. That is this 100 and 200, and but market will reverse, but from where it will reverse I too don't know. So I try to keep a stop loss, because I know that market will take stop loss up to here, and I kept my stop loss, I held my trade, then I exited at cost to cost. At that time this signal did not come, so because here there is a sell signal, so I cannot go against the option chain trader, then the buy signal. So every place whenever we get a this thing what we say signal, we can easily capture 150 points, very very simply, easily, no problem at all, because you are going along with the smart money. The smart money will help you to take those points. Okay, so there is comfortable time if see here there was no sell signal. Here there was a sell signal. What people will think, okay, this pattern is forming, market will go up. Here also market will go up. Market went up, that is another thing. Until and unless people close the position and create a new position, how will the market go? It may go down also, because it is trading below the high of the day. So all this parameter was because seeing the price action and all, I left everything. Price action only on rare cases only I see. Otherwise, based upon the option chain, immediately I go into the trade, because 10:30 after 10 o'clock it is easy. Then very much. I look up onto the other parameters also. If I get the signal there, no problem. Even I got the sell signal also, no problem with this. So be with our channel, help our channel to grow, and I'll be supporting you all. So no problem at all. So this is how we have to trade. When the uh, what I say, if there is a divergence in the option chain, price will not keep on going down. It will come, and at least the smart player will exit at cost to cost with and take at least the brokerage. That means how much is the brokerage? For example, we will take 400 rupees as the brokerage. That 400 brokerage you will exit with the cost to cut. Many days that happens. If I get a signal, then the market will come surely there to exit at cost to cost at least, even after getting a sell signal. So that is the problem. Let me say why what happened, because early morning there was a short signal here, it did not allow the market, finally he exited all the quantity here, then the put writers got active, then it went up. So this is how we have to trade, and we have to understand the market, then only we can make money in this market. If we keep on searching for tips and all, then with with the help of tips I think it is impossible to earn money from the market, because the person who is earning the money, then only he will be earning. For us, we need to work hard and understand the market, then only we can make money. Okay, friends. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe our channel, and feel free to share with your friends. And this is a very good thing. This is the advanced thing what you are sharing, not price action. I am not promoting anything. Okay, if you are willing, you can open an account under me in Upstocks or Allies Blue. And thank you very much. Bye bye.